I'm Lauren O'Donnell. I'm the General Manager for IBM for Global Life Sciences. I've been with IBM 34 years and spent the first part of my career in sales and distribution. Then I started to get into healthcare and life sciences in my second part of my career. And then I've spent the last 7 years dedicated to healthcare and life sciences. I'm a cancer survivor myself, and I'd like to change the future of healthcare. I'm actually surprised that they don't utilize information technology as much as they can.
Right.
I think there's a lot of opportunity for improvement.
Yeah.
And I think with the need to reduce costs, the implementation of technology will help us. We've used Memorial Sloan Kettering, and we looked at cancer patients, and we looked at what possible protocols they could have and what would be the potential outcomes. So you see this live in a real setting, helping patients. And we've also got a part of it that's looking at clinical trials, so it's really powerful. Right now, it's estimated that the healthcare costs are $4.2 trillion. And amazingly, worse than wow that it's so big, we believe the waste is $2 trillion.
Really?
Yes. So the market opportunity for improvement is huge. And we believe that we, through analytics and cognitive computing, which is what Watson does, it's a learning system, can actually predict potential outcomes and improve them before patients get sick. And that's so powerful. We've got to get the payers, the providers, the life sciences clients, the med device, and actually the communities of care. You know, whether it be, somebody at a long-term care facility or somebody in an ambulatory clinic. They all have data, and they're all in silos. And we need to get that data together and aggregate it around a patient and make the best decisions for the healthcare for the future. It has got to be disruptive because we've got to do something very different than we do today. And that's a disruptive technology. So I think you're going to see that. But at the same time, there's a lot of what we're doing today that's good, and we ought to build on that momentum. So I think it's a balance of both. I think that's where we'll be most successful. We need to continue the investment in R&D, and we're committed to doing that, and we're committing to help our clients do it in a more effective way. I think there's 3 things I have an aptitude for. First of all, analysis. I love complex business issues. I've always loved puzzles as a kid, and understanding, getting all the data and analyzing is the first thing. The second is collaborating with clients and with my colleagues. I mean, teamwork is important. You're only as good as the people you have around you. I think that's really important. And the third is outcomes oriented, to derive optimal value from the connections and the value that we give to others. So those are kind of the things I think that make me special, that are my aptitudes.